Hello guys. So our room just became beautiful because they make it. Don't make it that mirror. Look. Fine. If you only like and subscribe, I will show myself. Hello. So I'm face to face. So our painting is beautiful or not, or our lights. So they are beautiful. They are changing color. Look. Like this one. We have more. Wait. And this one is shiny because it glows. Just click that one. That it will turn off the lights. That will change color too. So I will turn it back to on. So this is my bedroom. It's so messy, a little bit. So this is our this is our statue. I thought it was glue inside. And this is my mom's cabinet. And mine, it's on downstairs. So this is my sister's cabinet. We don't have a big parater. Look. This is yung pangtakpan ng lamig. At yung mga una namin, mga bago na. Saka ito yung TV namin. This is my TV. So, bye-bye guys.